When I was in high school, my grandmother had both her knees replaced at the same time, which requires quite a bit of care. So she had quite a bit of physical therapy afterwards, and I saw the care that was given to her afterwards, and that kind of opened my eyes as to how powerful the profession can be. Therapy is such a broad profession. You have everything from inpatient care to outpatient care, traveling therapy, home health therapy. Anytime you come to physical therapy, they're going to watch how you move as a whole and really look at how you function and how you are moving correctly or moving incorrectly and try to fix that. And that's how we have success making somebody function better. Riverside's great to work for. That's one of the main reasons why I've stayed with Riverside for 11 years now. Everybody gets along and we work together very well. Our clinic here is very much a family atmosphere, so that makes it very easy to come to work every day. On a daily basis, when I'm helping patients and they come in here with pain and things start clicking, you start realizing what's wrong, they start buying in, they're doing their exercises and they're feeling better. At the end of the day, when you go home, that really makes you feel good about yourself. You know, you're excited to go to work the next day. I'm Roger Jackson with Riverside Physical Therapy in Williamsburg.